Hey, y'all. No. Hey, remember me, Miss Adair, your teacher? No. Y'all, I miss you. I do. I'm here with my children, my biological children. The little one talks a lot. Hey, I hope y'all are doing well. This is certainly interesting, but I wanted to share some information with you about our e-learning adventure over the next 2 weeks. I will be posting some assignments for you guys a little bit a day, and I really wanted to make it small chunks, like 15, no more than 30 minutes a day. I know you have other classes going on, you have other responsibilities, you have little siblings at home, but I do want to keep your mind fresh in your science class so that you're ready to pick up whenever we do finally get to be together again. So I wanted to take you through how this is going to work. I will be posting your assignments in actually 3 different places, 2 main places, and I'm going to show you real quick what those places are. One is going to be the assignments tab. Now I know yours is going to look, your MyAllSaints is going to look a little different from mine because I'm on the teacher end, but if you go to our class website or if you go to your assignments page, assignments are on there, and each day, I'm showing you all 3 of mine right now, but yours will pop up 1 a day. When you click on the assignment, it'll give you some additional information about what you are to do that day. I've put links to any videos that we're watching or any activities that we're doing. I've put downloadables if there's things that I need you to download and work with. So all of that will be on your assignments tab, and it'll pop up each day. And like I said, there will be little chunks that show up every day, so I'm trying not to overwhelm you here. The second place you'll find it is in your Google Classroom. Each day you might get an email from Google Classroom about an assignment posted. Again, I've scheduled these to come out in little chunks, 1 each day. Each one will have instructions, kind of like this old assignment here. It'll tell you watch the video, take the notes, do the interactive lab, whatever the case may be. There might be a Google form for you to fill out and send to me. That way I know that you are understanding what we're talking about. But every day the instructions will be both in your MyAllSaints and in your Google Classroom. Whichever you choose to do is totally fine. The third way is going to be in your calendar. On our class page, at the bottom underneath my biography, I have linked our Google Calendar, and you can see there's assignments up here. If you love Google Calendar, then by all means import those assignments, and I have put the instructions in your calendar description as well. So any of those, whatever works for you, just make sure each day you're going to get a tiny chunk of something for you to do for my class. If you need to contact me with questions, or if you're having concerns or technology issues, I will be happy to walk you through any of that. You can use, let me go back over here, you can use the comments on Google Classroom. You can email me. My email comes straight to my phone, so I'll be accessible to you all day long. And also, if you haven't already, you may want to subscribe for my Remind 101. These are the codes right here. If you have not already subscribed, Remind works kind of like a text messaging system, except it's web-based. So, if the people from All Saints need to get in and see what I've been sending you guys, they can do that. It's not a private text message between us. So you would send a text message to the phone number 81010, put the code in there, include the @ sign, and that would sign you up for my Remind 101. And if you have any questions or technology issues during the day, you can just send it just like you would a text message in that Remind app or with your text messaging service. Finally, if you are in one of my AP classes, AP Physics or AP Environmental, I want to just make sure that you have seen this. I sent you this website, but if you haven't visited it yet, make sure you look at these updates and keep checking back. Right now, they have information about the different tests, and this is good for your other AP test as well, English and history and all that good stuff. Environmental, I just went past. Environmental right here, you can see the stars right there. Those are going to disappear when they start giving us more information. So be sure and check in on your expectations for your AP test that's coming up. So finally, to make sure that you saw this, I'm asking you to respond in email And I want you to respond by telling me something positive about this whole situation. I think we've dwelled on the negatives enough. Tell me something good that's either already happened or that you're anticipating happening, whether it's doing all your schoolwork between the hours of 10 p.m. and 12 because you can, or spending more time with your family before you go off to college, or whatever that may be. Tell me something good about this experience, and I look forward to seeing you guys online.